Okay, here we have penetrometer for soil compaction. Very useful unit. We manufacture these and we have been making them since about 2001. We started making these and we have quite a lot of them, in fact many hundreds or thousands to be precise, spread around Australia and New Zealand. They are a very valuable tool, one of the most valuable tools you can have in your toolbox when you go. And indeed I've had many consultants who have come back to me and said when they go on farm, it's one of the most valuable tools they got, because on this particular unit, and I talk the old language here, 0 to 200 psi, plant roots will be just fine. 200 to 300, they will start to resist, and above 300, you will want to go sideways, they won't want to go into it. There is some exceptions. One I know for sure is cotton. Cotton can go to 400 psi, but once you go past that 300 mark, it will tend to take the energy out of growing and fruiting and put it into pushing its roots into the tight soil, so you would lose growth and yield. I suspect this might also apply to some of the other crops out there, deep-rooted taproot crops as well, but I don't know, I've never done nothing work on that. The other thing is, once we go past 300, we know we're heading into an anaerobic situation, meaning we've got too much hydrogen and not enough oxygen in the equation. We also know that we're going to have much slower water infiltration rate into that soil, and therefore we get a quick rain, it will build up and it will run away, and of course that takes topsoil and nutrient and everything else with it, and that means then more erosion and more pollution in our creeks, rivers, oceans, whatever the case might be. So a very valuable tool to use. But if we get to 1000 psi on this instrument, it doesn't matter about the rest. I go in the field with people and I've seen them where they literally jump on it and try and say, well, how hard is this? You aren't proving nothing, you are going nowhere. Once you get that 1000 psi, that's it, forget the rest. In fact, at 1000 you virtually won't be able to push it in anyway. And that's very interesting to see just what your soil is doing and the effects of it and whether you're monitoring. The shaft has a line scribed on it every 100 mil, so you may stop pushing at any point, note where you're at, and then just carry steadily on down. The other thing, sometimes I seen it years ago, I was doing some readings for a bloke in a bare cultivation paddock, and we went down, we're on straight through the loose soil of course, and that from then on we're on 700 psi. And that we were going steadily down, but I got down about 8 or 10 inches and the unit just dropped away. And so what that tells me then is there could be other underlying reasons as well, but most likely I've got more extra band of moisture down there, but your crop can't access it, and at the same time that moisture will not come up through the hard pan to the top. So you can have a crop sitting on a heap of moisture that can't be accessed. And I guess in brief, that's about it.